Alright, today is a very exciting day. Had FedEx come over and drop me off a package. So, let's show you what the package is. That's right. Good boys from DC, Rusty. Excellent customer service. Dropped off a pair of these level 4s, level 5 coils. Show you right quick. Very good. Show you what's on the inside of them. That's right, I got 2 of them. Oh, show you. Huge surround for packaging. Oh boy, oh, this thing's heavy. Yeah, nice. Oh, let's get this in the light. This pair of level 4s, and flip it sideways for you guys. Show you. It is quite a beefy sub. Very, very beefy. Flip it over a little more. Show you the magnet. Polished. Okay. Oh boy, this thing's heavy, isn't it? Dual leads on it. So, it is quite beefy. So, that's one. I got that box right there. You got the second one. It's like Christmas in March. Alright. That's one of 2. This is the second one. Let's just show you guys. Alright, there they go together. Best pair. Best couple I've seen that I actually ever owned. Let's see. Looks good. Looks real good. Well, I'm out.